Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you the evolution of my folding knives. Let's start with the first one I ever made. Friction folder with a Kydex bucket sheet. Used to have a fire steel on there, but I don't know where I put it. As I was saying, it's a friction folder. And it's ugly as shit, but was the first I made. Got a 154 cm stainless. One of the last times I worked with stainless steel. I still have the leftover stainless from this. Aluminum bolsters with an ugly screw as a pivot. Warranty wooden handles, aluminum liners and backspacer, mosaic pins, some crude file work. So yeah, that was the first one. I made 4 of these style. I sold all of them. So then I made a few other friction folders. This one was one for me. You can see I drawn on it a lot to see how I can improve the shape. This looks like garden shears to me. O2 tool steel, new pivot, G10 handles. The liners are actually from the inside of I can't remember what it was. It was stainless steel box or something. So that's where the liners came from. G10 backspacer. No file work, nothing. Just practice to improve my knife making. My third time with Damascus. And my first pocket clip. Got the green Yuma handle scales, stainless liners, file work. Damascus knife. Not sure if you can see the pattern with the sun and all. File work on the pocket clip. I still do that because I really like how it turned out. After the friction folders, I started to make slip joints. I don't have the first one. One of my uncles got it. So this is my own personal slip joint. File work, O2 tool steel. Made a opening notch just with a Dremel tool, chucked in the drill press. Stainless steel bolsters, again the green Yuma handle scales. Stainless steel liners. I've carried this one for years and years and years. Well, 2 years basically, I think. Weird dino head. Lanyard bead. Now my last one for me, my own personal one. My second backlog. C75 steel, tool steel, milled in opening notch, barbed wire pattern, black and orange stabilized wooden handles, stainless steel liners and pins, so that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.